This video will demonstrate how to use the 36pix desktop app to upload and download a job. First, log into the application using your CloudKO username and password, then select which environment your account is in. Once logged in, you will be on the Jobs page where you can view all the jobs you've sent to 36pix. Before creating your first job, you must create a profile with the services you'd like to add to your job. Go to the Profiles page and click Create New Profile to get started. Select all the services you want to add to your profile and click Save. Your new profile will be added to your list of profiles with the chosen services listed as the profile name. You can create as many profiles as there are combinations of services. If you'd like to gain access to a new service, please contact 36pix. To create a new job, click the Upload Images button. First, create a job name for your job. Next, select the organization you would like to upload your images to from the Select Organization drop-down. If you only have one organization, it will be selected by default. Then, select a profile for your job from the Select Profile drop-down. If you no longer want to see all your profiles in the drop-down, you can go to the Profiles page and deactivate the ones that you want to remove from the Job Creation page. Now select a priority for your job from the Priority drop-down. If you are a CloudKO Enterprise user, select DIY for the job priority. If you are sending the job as a verified full service job, select either Regular, Rush, Priority, or Rework. Choose Auto if you do not want any human verification in CloudKO. You will receive the AI results without any additional edits applied to the images. The Auto Priority will be selected by default if the profile selected contains only services that are not editable in CloudKO. Next, select your files to add to the job. You have the option to add images or a folder by either selecting the appropriate button or by dragging and dropping the files or folder. Only .jpg files can be processed. If an invalid file is selected, you will get a warning pop-up and the file will not be added to the job. If you need to remove a selected image from the job, click on the negative symbol next to the image. Once all your files are added to the job, click on the Upload button. You will receive a confirmation pop-up. Click Yes to proceed with the creation of the job. You will then be taken to the Upload Progress page, where you can view the upload status of your job. From here, you have the option to go to the Jobs page by clicking View Jobs, or to create another job by clicking Upload More Images. Let's click View Jobs to go to the Jobs page. If your new job is not shown, just click the Refresh button to refresh the page and your job will appear at the top of the list. You can view the status of your job in the Job Status column. When a job is in To Mask, that means it's ready to work on in CloudKO. If you're an enterprise user, you will see an eye icon button, which, when clicked, will open the job in CloudKO. Two tabs will open in your browser. One tab will open the viewer, so you can view and edit your images, and the other tab will open the Job Details page where you can transfer your job once you've finished editing your images. CloudKO Enterprise users will also see a Reset button. Resetting a job will undo all the edits applied to the images in the job, as well as reset the statuses of the images. This action cannot be undone. A Download button will appear in the Actions column next to all jobs. The button will appear gray and be disabled if the job is still in progress or if it was a job that was sent to 36pix using a method other than the desktop app. It will become enabled and appear blue once the job is ready to download. When the Download button is clicked, a Download Options pop-up will appear, allowing you to select an output folder for your results. You can also choose to put either the job name in the name of the folder or the job number, or both. Click Confirm to download the job. If you would rather download all downloadable jobs at once, you can select all the jobs by clicking on the box at the top of the column containing the square icons. The Download button at the bottom of the page will become clickable and will display the number of downloadable jobs selected in parentheses. To unselect all the jobs, just click the square box a second time. You also have the option to enable auto downloads. Go to the Settings page and select Automatically Download Finished Jobs. Choose a folder where you want your downloaded jobs to go, and whether to include the job name, the job number, or both in your output folder. The desktop app can check for downloadable jobs every 5, 10, or 30 minutes. Jobs will be automatically downloaded onto the same computer that was used to upload the job.
You must keep the desktop app running for this to work. If you want to download results from a job uploaded by a different computer, you need to manually download the job from the Jobs page. Also in the settings is a special feature for Captura customers who need to exclude specific images from their jobs. Please contact your customer success representative if you need more information about how to set this up.
Please check out our 36pix desktop app knowledge base for more information. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all of our new products and features. Thanks for watching.